Yo.
Hey guys, welcome back to Anime Jutsu. Today I'm giving you something special, a free PFP preset that important instruction. Don't miss out. 2 bonus PFPs at the end. All links are password protected. Watch the full video to catch the password and claim your presets. Without wasting any more time, let's start the video. Hey guys, listen carefully. After the tutorial, you'll get 2 bonus PFPs. But please, don't skip the tutorial, because it's the most important part of the video. Without watching it, you won't be able to use any of the PFPs properly, and the password you need will be shown during that section only. So let's start the tutorial now.
ये अपन कुछ नहीं करने वाला है क्या? जो कुछ भी करना है तुम लोगों को करने का है. अपन खाली टेक्निक बताएगा.
Step 1. Open the alight motion and go to the project section. Step 2. Import the preset of your favorite PFP, link in description. Step 3. Then open the PFP project and find the name layer. After finding the name layer, click on that layer and then tap on the edit text button. Then enter your name here. I will fast forwarding this process. Repeat this with the second name layer. Now your PFP is ready. You can also edit your character by simply removing this and adding your character. Here you can easily find Dragon Ball characters PNG on Google and Pinterest. Let's back to the topic now. PFP is ready, so you have to download it. For download, click on top right corner and then click on the third option, current frame as PNG. After downloading, save the PFP and repeat the process for all PFPs. Now it's time for bonus PFPs that you have waiting for. Guys, there is no password in any of the preset. You can use it completely free.
Oh my god!
Guys, that's all for today, and don't forget to like and subscribe because my channel rec is currently too much down and most of the people do not subscribe me. It makes me demotivate, so like and subscribe. And guys, after using these PFPs, Plaza give me the credit by YouTube community post. It helps me a lot for reach. Bye.